in this video, I'm going to go over the shortcuts, what I call the shortcuts, which are these up here. Under the file menu, okay? So if I go ahead and draw a square, I can undo that, or I can redo that. You have import and export. If I import a file, let's say these are the 143 acrylic templates from 143 vinyl. If I choose the football and I open that, then if I come over here to my position and size, you can see that it is 2.360 by 1.447. That is not the correct size. These templates are made for Design Space, and I believe they come in correct in Silhouette as well, but in Create they do not. But you can change that. Let's go ahead and go to 143 vinyl and go to blanks, go to acrylics, and go to keychains. And then look for the football, which is down here a ways. Okay. Click on that, and it's going to give you the size right here. The measurements is 3 inches by 1.75. Alright, so you just select that, come over to your position and size, and the width is 3 inches by 1.75. And hit enter. Oh, you don't want to keep proportions. Sorry about that. 3 inches. Okay. And then this is the correct size template for your football, for your keychains. Okay. I just wanted to mention that. I know they come in Design Space and I believe Silhouette, the correct size, but they do not in Create. So I don't know if they can change that. I will mention it, but anyway, okay. I just wanted to let you guys know that, because a lot of you are Cricut users, and that's not going to work for you. Okay, so then we have export. So let me go ahead and select this because I want to show you about export. Alright, so let's go ahead and name this square and save to my desktop. I always save everything to my desktop and then I give it a home after that, because I don't like giving it a home and then I can't find it. So I like to keep it on my desktop until I know where I want it to be. Okay, so now when you click save, you're going to have your export options. You can show registration marks, which I don't want to do, or you can export whatever is selected on your page only. All right, and you can make it Design Space compatible or not. So I'm going to go ahead and check the selection only and click OK. Now if I go to a new page and I import that from my desktop, you can see the shortcut is not there. It's just that square. Alright, so if I go back to, well, let me start another page here. Let's do a circle or a triangle. Alright, so here I have a triangle, and let me type some text. Okay, and then now I can select it all, and I can save it as a selection, or I cannot have anything selected at all, and I can export. Let's just name this one Create. Create one, and hit enter, or hit save, sorry, and then untick selection only and click OK. Alright, now let me go back here to export. You can export as an SVG, which is the default, but you also have bitmap, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, scan and cut, FCM files, PDF, or HPGL plotter, PLT files. Alright, I just want to save it as an SVG file. Alright, so now I'm not going to have selection ticked, and I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to actually start a new page. And then I'm going to go back to import, and I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to find the create file, which is right here, and I'm going to open that. And there it is. Okay, so pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to mention a couple of things about the design space compatible and the different file types that you have. So that is that. Okay, and then we come to the library, which I already have a video on, and then your preview. What your preview does is it shows you your cut lines. Alright, but as soon as you close this box, it goes back. So you can move it out of the way. This just shows cut lines in red, draw lines in blue. It shows pen colors from the draw lines. Just show printable, show print and cut registration marks. So if I wanted registration marks on that, I could do that. Show print margins, and print margin is for your printer. Now I only have a printer that prints 8.5 by 11. Some of you probably have larger than that, so it's going to show larger than that. And you may need to change your mat size, okay? And then you have show nodes. So let me zoom back in here and let me undo the print margins. Show nodes shows all your nodes for everything, and you can manipulate these with this tool here, which I'll be getting to probably in my next video. Alright, so I'm going to untick that, and then I'm going to click done, and my preview is gone. So that's it for the shortcuts, except for the trace. Okay, trace is going to have a video all of its own, because there's a lot to go over. Alright, so thanks for watching.